Okay, so now I'm going to see if I can get my disk drives working. These are two Lobo drives. I've done some studying, and it looks like you can select the disk based on this setting here. I believe, and this is a terminator. I do remember reading about that. So I'm guessing if this is the terminator, this one probably needs to be considered drive 0, and then this would be considered drive 1. And the terminator one should be the last one on this ribbon cable. So let's go ahead and set that up. Okay, I've only connected this drive with the closest cable connector. This has got the terminator, and it's all set. Let's see what happens when I turn it on. Oh my gosh. It booted. That's awesome. I had it wrong before. That is just totally awesome. Let's see what this does and shows me on this floppy. Well, that doesn't sound too good. But the fact that it's even trying is a miracle. I can try a different floppy too. These floppies are pretty old, but that's just amazing to me. So if this is working, then that means my flash floppy should work. I just have something not set up right there. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this out of its misery, and we'll try a different floppy here, because it's very possible 2.3b format. That said TRS-DOS. Let's find one that actually says, well, of course that had TRS-DOS, because it booted. It actually did boot. So let's try this one. Oh, I don't think that has TRS-DOS on it. It didn't say it did. So let's see what else we got here. This has double density. That's blank. That says backup. That says backup. Let's go check some of my others. All right, I found this one. It says TRS-DOS. Let's go ahead and see if it'll work. Disk error. That's not very good. It don't sound too good actually. Let me reseat it. Try again. There we go. Oh my gosh. It is working. I have no idea what these do, but let's just try one. Huh, fascinating. And this is the regular DOS. I know I have a double density disks too. All right, for my next thing, I found this double density disk. It does say DOS on it. So let's see if it actually will work. Put it in our drive 0 and turn on our computer. Wow, this is history. Notice you don't hear all that seeking all over the place. That's because in this version you didn't need it. Okay, it wants a date. What's today? 07. Of course, my keyboard doesn't work, so yeah, the 0 key doesn't work. I have to fix all that. try that again after I fix the keyboard. Okay, so I entered a date that would work with the keys that were working, and I guess time's not required. Notice how the seek time is a lot better. And shows me this stuff. Cover. Oh, let's try that cover. Oh, interesting. Oh, I have Defender on here. Oh my gosh. That could be good. Let's try the cover. See how that looks. All right. Well, I finally got it fixed enough so I could do this. Let's see if I can list what's on the program. Oh, it's really short. This must be just like their generic C-load cover. 1979. Yeah, nothing in it. I'm trying to load this Hobbit program. Let's see if that works. It's for taking its time. Maybe it's big. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty long. I'll say it's giant. All right, let's run it. See what it says. Sure do. Looks complicated. Interesting. I'll say novice. Interesting. Should tell me I can't go that way. Oh, I cycled back. Interesting. Somehow I changed it 2 places. Interesting. I remember this line. That's funny. That concludes this short demonstration of using TRS-DOS on an actual TRS-80 Model 1. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this demo, please give it a like and subscribe. If you would like other videos like this, please add a comment telling me what you'd like. And feel free to take a look at some of my other content using the links here.